Mm. So some nude maker things, they can make my nudes and they can have whatever I have. They can have it. Huh? Son, police didn't give report yet. That means they were watching me jerking off from the front camera and the LAN server thing, whatever. So, police didn't make that report. I got hidden bugs inside my house. Hidden bugs followed me wherever I went. What does it mean? So some nudes must have been made from the stolen phone as well. But the phone which got stolen from the house. Maybe a thief. So, son, nudes won't harm me, it will harm you. They'll say he got one day he got drunk and he fucked his mother as well. Who's the suspect's mother? Anyways, one day he got drunk and it might have been happened too, but not in the West. Not in the West. So, yeah, prostitute. Right. There are prostitutes in West too. I'm not seeing it. It's their business. But those are decent people over there. And the one who is playing decent, those are, what do you call it? Those are into nudes. Come on. This is a rotten fucking world. And why I am stopping people from here doing this? Because people have already started pointing and blaming each other over there for the nudes. Be careful, be careful. Some shit shouldn't land up here because nudes are made over there, not over here. Some shit shouldn't land over here. I am repeating it again. People have started pointing each other. Remember my words from the beginning. Don't do it. Remember my words. Now do you remember? You won't remember. What do you call it? It's now not that time that you will realize that I was telling the right, telling to do the right thing. Don't do this. Don't do this. Stay clean. Stay clean. People over there have started pointing. The scam team was after me from 2012 and they are blackmailing me for 2020 nudes. 2020 nudes from 2020, the moment I came back from after. So this was the game. I saw a chick from Dubai. They thought I'm gonna get married. Somehow they wanted to spoil it. Now you get it. What is the fun? What their real mentality is. They must have contacted her too. Don't marry him in 2020. So, now you know how things get fucked up in my life. So, anyways, thank you for doing such thing. Otherwise, I would have gotten married long ago. Thank you for doing this. And what do you call it? So this is called jealousy. Jealousy. Look, the face match itself, it says it's a jealousy. What can I do? So don't do it, Baba. Don't do it. You will get in serious trouble. Stolen phones are there. They are planting phone location. They might be doing this. So don't get into any kind of trouble. I am saying it because they still don't know what is the plan for the nude makers of Chembur. No one knows it. Only the few of the big shots know this. What is going to happen to them? Because they are also scared that their nudes will be made there. Only the big shots of Chembur, they know very well what is going to happen. Is that my mother? No. No, some lady was passing by. She looked same as my mother. Look, I see other ladies, and I feel that that's my mother. Huh? And these people are portraying me of what? Portraying me of what? Ashika Awara. Huh? And who are they? Huh? These people are Saas Bhi Kabhi Sautan, and they are telling me Ashika Awara. Huh? That program used to know. Kabhi Saas Bhi Kabhi Sautan. So, so the matter is, now, don't do this. There are dangerous plans for the nudes maker in Chembur. All the big shots have decided that to be done and dangerously done. They shouldn't point here that they did it. In 2020, I was not in contact over here. I came here somewhere in November. I did 45 days, a relapse program in Vasai. Then I came here. November. Yes, November I came here. While I was in that program, my father already took this place in Giardino. So after that, they might blame. But before that, no blame should be coming here. But if you are helping them in spreading nudes and all those shit, I can't help it. You're fucking yourself, not me. Okay? Look, I give the right part. The only thing is, मेरा है ना बात करने का तरीका बहुत ये क्या बोलते हैं चिड़चिड़ा है रूड और मैं जो बोलता हूँ ना कभी भी ध्यान में रखा करो उधर भी लोग बोलते हैं मेरे पेरेंट्स भी बोलते हैं बाबा ये बोलता है हम लोग को बहुत पहले दुखता है लेकिन सही बोलता है हमेशा तो मत करो I've been telling this, right? Don't do it. You will remember this. And what's next? I love that craft, but they know my weakness. Art is my weakness. Soon 27 days. 28 days. When I went to Chembur, I was not stopping at one place. People were getting, अरे रुक नहीं रहा है एक जगह पे यार. So one incident I'll tell you. I was heading to Bombay, to meet a lawyer, South Bombay. So I don't know the place. I don't use that GPS. So I was here asking ways. I also reached that spot. What do you call it? Bombay Central. The VT station. Everywhere. I was on my bike. I was going here, there, and Kolaba I reached here, there. So I was not getting that address, and that address was very close by. And GPS spoofers are after me to plant phone location, and I am asking addresses, and I am taking wrong twists and wrong turns. I'm a fucking road amnesiac. I don't understand much. So at the end, when I came near that place, huh, I asked a guy कि ये जगह किधर है? A fellow from the front, in complete anger, he was damn angry. He was, what do you call it? He shouted at me, अरे तेरे को जाने का किधर है? So I gave him the address. अरे ये क्या इधर है? बाजू में, अभी जा मत किधर. So this thing happened. The GPS movers got crazy. Just have fun. Don't do GPS move. Don't do any new dating. Love yourself. Love your life. Love your family. Then do good things. Huh? Keep the bad and evil things for evil people. Don't turn yourself into those rotten eggs. That's it. That's it. And marriage proposal का अभी हो रहा नहीं है ना कुछ अभी. क्या ये चालू है अभी भी?